Today we have this tractor from a customer, and some people asked us about how to remove and replace a V-belt, and we will do that today with this tractor. It will be a very short video, but we will show you how to replace it, and of course it's very easy, so I will show you right now. Just unclip this one, very important. There are two clips here and over here. Many people don't know. Like this, you can put it like that. This part is removed. As you can see, I don't know what went wrong with this V-belt, because it's way too big. And so I know for sure it's not from tearing or something like that, that's old or something. I just think that they placed the wrong V-belt. So I'll replace it today, and yeah, let's start. We will start with unscrewing this one. And with Iseki, it never breaks. I'm always hoping that it's not breaking. Like this. And now you need to remove it. Like that. And you always do that to put it in like, and again. Always be very cautious with the radiator. If you damage it, it will break and it will leak. Like this. And this one. So this is the old belt. Oh, okay, it's bad. Okay, it's old. Sorry, I thought it was just only a little bit too long, but it's old. So we will replace it. Now we will do this upper side. So put in the fin a little bit, and then you can touch it like this, and you will repeat that every time that it is around it, like that. And then you will tension it like this. So the final inspection, this is good. It should not be more, and it should not be too hard tension, so it should be like a little bit movement in it. Otherwise the bearings will break from the water pump, or the alternator will have a very hard life.